Hello everyone, my name is Scott Mann and today I'm going to go over my quick demo on Salesforce.com. So I'm going to quick tell you about the basics and then I'm going to get a little bit more detailed on the dashboard feature, which is right up here. So right now we are on the home page, which holds all of your relevant information that you would want for you or your business. This page is currently the example page and it shows the quarterly performance, which is right up here. This is just going to show you your sales and how you're doing this quarter. Obviously, this is your main activity page over here called the assistant, and this is all example information from the free trial. And then it's got a bunch of your tasks down here, and we don't have any of those yet because this is a brand new account. But if you were to have some data, this is where it would start coming up, and information from your coworkers, that would all pop up here as well. So your homepage is completely customizable to your liking. This homepage shows you how plenty of information can be shown on your main page. This is all just an example. So one more thing we're going to look at up here is your waffle looking button. It kind of has an animation right there. If you click on that, it'll show you all the different apps that you have. You can download plenty of others inside of Salesforce, but right now these are just the built-in stock apps, which all have their own features. Right now we're on sales. We're on the sales app. So now we're going to take a look at this taskbar up here. This is right next to the waffle button. This has all of your information that you can put up here, such as accounts, contacts. As you can see here, if we click on contacts, nothing shows up because we're on recently viewed. If we click this right here, we can actually go to all contacts, and this is also going to show some of the built-in contacts that come, the samples with the program itself. Just some stock information. Obviously you could throw in your own stuff here and it would have that information right there for you. Now we're going to get a little bit more detailed. Going away from contacts, we're going to go over and create a dashboard. So once we go to dashboards right here, we have one example dashboard that I just made for this demo. We have our name of our dashboard, the description. You make this yourself when you make it, but I'll show you that in just a little bit. The folder that you make it in, when you made it, who it's made by, all that good information. Also, when you get this free trial, if you click on all dashboards, this will be a bunch of ones that come in right with the program, just as a lot of other information comes in, just like in the accounts, in the contacts, all of that other good stuff. So right now I'm going to show you how to make this exact demo example. Right now we have this example where it shows you a sample report of the number of tasks and activities that are there and the sales exec pipeline. So right here we have this random information. None of this was made by me. This is all information that came through with the free trial as well, but I was the one who put it into this demo dashboard right here. So I'm going to show you how to do this right now, and we're just going to go to dashboards again up here and click on new dashboard. So when we go here, we're going to say sales dashboard number 2. My description is going to be for the video. It's also going to go to private dashboards, and we're going to create that right there. Now, as you see, we have a total empty board here where we can fill this in with whatever we want. What we're going to want to do first is go to add this component right here with this plus sign, and now basically we can add whatever information that we want. And just to let you know, we are not going to have much information here, and it's all going to be that sample information that comes with the demo. But once you have your own business and you're putting in a ton of records and reports, all that good stuff, you will have plenty of information to work with. Right now, we're just going to throw in some random information right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is tasks and activities. We're going to search that. We're going to just click select right there, and we don't have a ton of information. We just have this 24 right here, but we can make it basically in any kind of graph we want. We can go like this. We have plenty of different options. We can do max values, all that good stuff. We can even make it dark. I like it when it's dark a little bit more. My other example was light, but let's just go like this right here. Sample report in a bar graph. And once you would have more, it would obviously add some more information from February. It'd go to March. We can add that right there. And what you can do is put this in any box on this page. You can just move it around how you see fit. We're going to put it right there just in a normal spot. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to select again. We're going to search for sales exec pipeline. We're going to get that right there. from our sales and marketing reports. Which are those reports? You can find that in the reports page that's just sitting right here under the screen. So basically, yep, you have the same options here. You can play with it however you want. Obviously, playing around with it, you're going to find the best way to show your own data for your business. You can change and customize all this. I'm not going to touch on all this right now because you could play with this for hours and hours. But again, you can make this dark mode. Let's just make this light one just to make it different. And then we can add this right here, and that's going to automatically pop up there. What we can do is just put it right there. We could put this one here, move them all around however we want. Very customizable and very cool about the program. So now this is basically the exact same as the other one. The only difference is this one is dark right now, and what we're going to do is push save. Dashboard saved right here, perfect, and we're going to click done. Now this is set up exactly the same way. We can click out of dashboards, and this is the demo example we started with, and it was actually a circle the first time, but same information. And now we're going to go to our sales dashboard number 2 that we just made, and look at that, there it is. And this will update with all the new information that you add. If we go over to the reports where this pipeline is from, that information would be in your reports also. It'd be somewhere in here, but if you change that information, it would change the information for your dashboard as well. So the dashboard is a good way to organize that information, have different reports and opportunities, all this good stuff right up here for your business so that it's organized in one place. Obviously for this sample, the number of tasks and activities has really nothing to do with your sales exec pipeline, but this is just an example to show how the information can be organized in a very good way on Salesforce.com and just be helpful for your business. Thank you for listening to this demo. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.